Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we'd like to talk to you about the S-Line ratchet strap. This is a pretty heavy duty ratchet strap that S-Line makes. It is a 15-foot ratchet strap and has a working load limit of 700 pounds and a max braking strength of 2,100 pounds. This particular model is a camo style for those of you that like that, and to kind of take a better look at it, let's go ahead and open it up. All right guys, now that we have it out of the package, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the ratchet strap. Now, with this strap itself, it comes with the two ends. This is the fixed end right here, and then we also have the adjustable end right next to it. On each end, it has a vinyl coated S-hook. Now the vinyl coating helps prevent corrosion or anything like that with the elements. Also has a nice safety clip right there, so when you are securing it, it won't come out of place. And to kind of take a look at the webbing, has a nice soft camo webbing. It's also abrasion resistant, so you know that it's not going to scratch anything that you're going to be securing. Now to take a look at the ratchet itself, as you can see, it's nice and big, nice and bulky, it's heavy duty, it's going to be able to hold and really help, and when you use it, it has a nice glide to it. It's not hard to pull. And so to kind of show you how this works, we're going to go ahead and loop it into position. Now you're going to find the opening right here, and we're going to take the adjustable end. Now it has a sewn loop on it to prevent pull through on it, and you're just going to slip it right into that opening, and when you pull it through, you're going to go ahead and loop it right over again, and this will allow you to adjust it. Now you're not going to want to leave too much slack. If you do, and you go ahead and start ratcheting, it will just wad up real big, and it'll make it really hard to either continue ratcheting or release it. And when you have it in the desired spot, it's nice and tight, feels like it's going to hold. And to kind of show you how it releases, you just pull on that release lever right there, and it'll let you put it into the horizontal spot and go ahead and pull it through. Now, one last thing we want to show you on this ratchet is when you do have it all the way into a secured position, is it has a cool little feature for what you can do with all that leftover strap. Right here, right above the release lever right there, it has a storage clip. So you can take your leftover strap and you can just roll it up. And once you have it rolled up, you can just feed it right into the clip, and that way you don't have to worry about any excess strap going anywhere, getting in the way, or making any knots and then having trouble taking it off when you're done with your load. So to kind of show you again, it has that nice clip, secures it so it doesn't get in the way. All right, so once again, this is the S-Line 15-foot ratchet tie down. If you are interested in this product, you can find it on uhaul.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaul.com.